Josh? It's really low. Actually, this came in my mind. How is the Josh? Say, a couple of days back, I met Mr. Vicky Kaushal. Though I was a part of that complete bheed, I was a hissa only. So this came in mind. So thank you so much for joining us. My name is Arindom Roy. I am from Epson, India. And I will take you through towards the hardware part of your organization. So as Radhika rightly said, this will be towards the sustainability going forward. So my topic will relate more towards IT, and when we say IT, it is taking control of your cost, which impacts. So about Epson, this is a part of Epson Corporation. We are headquartered in Japan with 33 manufacturing plants globally with 82 offices employing around 74,000 plus manpower. We are listed in Tokyo Stock Exchange. So when we refer to Seiko, it's the same company, which is, I'm sure you must have heard about the watch manufacturer. So we are the parent company, Epson, Seiko, Epson Corporation, the same group. Focus product globally, mainly we talk about our EcoTank technology, inkjet printers, visual communication, which is basically projectors. We have virtual wearables also. We relate to wearable innovation and robotic innovation. We have robotic arms for the assembly lines of your factories. About Epson India, we are headquartered in Bangalore. We have 30 plus presence in 30 plus cities in India, and we cater to Sri Lanka, Maldives, Bhutan, and Nepal, Bangladesh from Epson India. So these are a part of Epson India reporting to Seiko Epson Corporation. In India, we have around 300 plus employees. And service center, this is one of key strength of Epson. We have pan-India service presence, which is 401. It is actually more than that now. So it is, and we cater to, as Sir rightly said, Sachdeva sir, that the turnover is not the only matter. What is the bottom line? And trust us, we are doing really great in that front. So we closed our financial year at 2566 CR this year. When I say take control, basically take control of your running cost. When we talk about printer, the way perceive your organization, how are you efficiently contributing to your customers and the environment, work group efficiency, how are you using your manpower properly, the way of your impact basically with respect to environment, when as Mr. Hazra rightly covered, the sustainability is one of key factors. So this is how we contribute. So Epson is a company, we have accepted all 17 principles of United Nations, wherein these principles are catering to, there are 17 different principles. So one of key factor is reducing e-waste, lowest impact on nature, means renewable energy production. These are all key factors. So the needs of office printing is how to ensure low cost printing. This is one of key factors wherein EcoTank technology has actually introduced as a revolution. The printing high volume documents such as regular office document reports and other research studies. These are key office printing needs to deliver prints faster, the high speed machines. How do we complete our tasks the best possible way, the fastest way? How do we, means product that fits into tight spaces, the compatibility, how do we place it on the stage, sometimes tabletop, sometimes in a work group. To ensure employees that can handle and manage the printing solution, which can probably you can relate to a pin-based printing or a access card-based printing, because there will be multiple printouts given. Sometimes in a work group scenario, there will be 5 employees given printout at the same time. When they go and collect, there will be a mixed match. So they can just simply go in front of the panel, punch in the required password and take the printouts, the copies. So this is how the solution we provide. Epson products, wherein when we say Epson printers, there are series of printers up to 100 ppm. The one I'm referring to a tabletop machine, which delivers a speed of 39 ppm speed. The cost per page is as low as 7 paisa per page in black and white. When I refer to 7 paisa in black and white and 18 paisa in color, it is as per ISO standard, which is 5% coverage area. We were having a discussion with one of gentlemen. So when we talk about office printing, it is more of text rather images. It only captures the text is will be around 5% of the total A4 sheet. And the print, when we talk about the bottle capacity, that can print around 6,000 pages. So the cost per page is around 7 paisa in mono printing. Compact in size, you can easily place it on your system, on a table. EcoTank Edge is something wherein you can actually see there is, we have product displayed wherein we have a tank out, means visibly visible from the outside. There will be mono printers with the black ink only. There will be color printers. CMY means all the colors available, primary colors. And when we say cost per page compared to a regular, it is very dominant. When I say the market mean share for Epson is around 17%, which is probably 18% by now. And we compete against a regular, a traditional printer, which is known as laser. I'm sure you must be using laser printer at your premises. So how do we save on cost? Means we have a comparison when we refill our toners. We have a comparison when we use a original toner from a specific brand. Even when we use a refill toner, we can save a lot, huge on cost. So this is the difference we are talking about. When we say print out of 50,000 pages, the cost what we incur using Epson printer with a genuine ink bottle will be around 17,600 plus. Whereas with a refill toner, it will be nothing less than 25, but it will have to means the quality and the output and the dependency will definitely impact. So important factor is the power consumption. When I say our mono tabletop printers, which actually delivers a speed of 39 ppm, will consume means less than 12 watts, wherein a standard entry-level laser printer will consume nothing less than 360 watts. So you can save a huge on electricity. This definitely caters to one of our key parameter of sustainable development goals, wherein we impact the best possible low heat generation, low cost per page, low power consumption. So this is how we reduce the impact on nature. Though it is just started, sustainability is one of factors which has just started, probably last couple of years or maybe 3-4 years, so we have started discussing. But means in a global level, this is a key factor wherein in 2013, the SDGs were implemented. These are other additional advantages that we have built in network connectivity with higher resolution of print for better clarity. So as I said initially, it is 39 pages per page and water and fade resistance. So one of factor which actually came as a hindrance initially, that ink tank printer, even some water spills and it will actually smudge the print. This is not true. So the fact is we have piezo ink inkjet head, wherein the inks are waterproof and smudge proof. The longevity of each print will last up to 80 years. Wherein a regular laser printer, where you just melt the wax candle onto the paper to get the image printed, which is just a drum and toner mixer technology, the life of print is approximately 7 to 8 years. So this is the entire range of Epson portable tank printer, wherein you have a single function, multifunction, A3, and a lot of variants available. So we have a stall right at the back. Any query you can come across, experience the printouts, and we can get you a certain detail on it. So these are set of few satisfied customers. We sometimes relate to the banking segment because they are one of a huge bulk printers. So they can their inputs are really valuable for us. So these are few customers, key customers where customers have are satisfied. They have moved from a traditional print to a EcoTank technology. So when we talk about big printing, so it's a work group when I say, when we do not have a dedicated printer for a single manpower, it is a 10% or a floor using a single printer, which is a network. This is the key factors to consider. One is how we can reduce on cost per page. Again, same, the office printing, the volume printing. Eliminate physical waste or probably involve printing and meeting environmental goals. Every organization, the most of organization is looking, one of example I will share here, One customer, key customer is, recently we converted from a regular laser printing technology to a Epson EcoTank, is Himachal Road Transport Corporation. Wherein when we explained them very clearly that a toner actually produces a lot of e-waste, wherein you can reduce almost 95% of your e-waste just by replacing that traditional toner to an ink tank. Just a simple bottle of ink, and compared to a toner, it is almost 95% e-waste reduction. They have quickly accepted, demonstrated, used it for 7-8 days, and being satisfied, they included EcoTank technology as one of their tender evaluation criteria. So one of factors I was insisting on sustainability is environmental impact of IT hardware. And reduce time and hassle-free printing. Again, this relates to the secure printing environment wherein it's password protected and email-based printing. The solution is 70% less power than regular other printers, as low as 30 paisa cost in black and white and 75 paisa in color. Uninterrupted printing of up to 70. So one full capacity ink pouch. So these printer will not have that ink bottle now. This comes as liquid pouch. Right, so one full capacity ink pouch will deliver 75,000 pages in a single go. And convenience of replacing the ink packs, and which actually reduces the wastage. So this is how it looks. Epson heavy duty, you can sometimes say copier or a workforce printer. So these are certified by Buyers Lab, means there are lot many awards we carry, so this is one of them. And this has got multiple trays, so when we use a workforce series of product, you need a huge print volume. Then only you will spend on such type of a machine. So these are taken care. And when what I refer to Epson Workforce Pro RIPS, multifunction printer, RIPS is nothing but replaceable ink pack system. It will have the ink pouches, not the toner and drum. And with RIPS, the yield with full capacity inks. These are colors, and this is black. This will get you a yield of 84,000 pages. So this is what we are talking about. So the mean time between the replacement of ink is very low. Any, say, competition printer, which are a traditional laser printer, will get you a yield of 35,000. And when you use a Epson printer, you need to basically change the packs just after 84,000 pages. So fade, smudge-proof, water-resist print, because we use Dura Bright ink. So one of thing comes in mind that whenever we use, means in our 10 years back, 15 years back, whenever we used to print, there's a water spillage, smudge, a lot of things relates to inkjet. But now with Dura Bright ink, these are all smudge-proof, waterproof, and long-lasting printout. So you can use, and the speed goes up to 100 ppm. It is not the entry-level 20-25 ppm only, now 100 ppm for probably for education customer, a report card printing, a question paper printing. These are applications we cater to. Wastage, more eco-friendly printing with, means we have compared against, suppose we use around 4 ink packs. So total number of toners are 52. So this is how we relate to the wastage, e-waste reduction. Low power usage, more productivity, wherein the print is, means while printing, a huge heavy duty machine will consume just less than 40 watts, wherein in compared to a means competition, it will consume 1.5 kilowatt of a power. Other advantages are rapid fast print and no heat, robust security feature, predictable print cost. You can count on cost at the initial stage only. And this is the series of product. We have a simple A4 series up to a A3 and up to 100 ppm machine, which have multiple security features also, customer-based requirement also, we can address to. These are other Epson products wherein we manufacture the large format printers. Sometimes you can relate it to a plotter, document scanners for digitizing your office requirement, color printers, and then we have receipt printers. So whenever you order in a food court, you get a receipt print. Those are mostly using Epson. So photo printers also we have, and label. These are other set of products we manufacture. Now I move to a little about our projection solution, what we have to offer. Epson is a market leader for projection for almost 22 years in a row. And actually, we use a 3-chip LCD technology wherein the colors are actual, whatever you see in your laptop will be projected onto the projection screen. So the range we have starting from a very entry-level tabletop portable, which you can carry with you with 1,000 lumens. Lumens is brightness. Higher the lumens, better the visibility, and better the resolution, better the clarity you see. So this is the complete range of product we have starting from desktop, portable or ultra portable machine. These are now laser light source. Laser is nothing but a maintenance free. Means we have seen multiple, in a PVR, a theater will have a traditional projector installed. The base of light is the mercury lamp, which needs maintenance or it dims. Whereas now the technology which is introduced is a maintenance-free laser technology, where up to 30,000 hours you need not to change any light source. It is maintenance-free. Just plug it and you enjoy a large screen experience. So these goes to education customer, could be at your conference rooms also. The key feature here is we offer interactive projectors also for a classroom wherein you can do annotation and more interactive session with your students. So how far do you want to go? Actually, what is your need? This is what we have seen from the very beginning of today's presentation. So take control of your efficiency and productivity. Take control of your investment and cost. Take control of your development with respect to the country, means your internal, external. Take control of your employee needs, address your organizational growth. This is what we talk about. Take control with Epson and our product. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time and your energy. Thank you. We have our stall right at the back. Any query, you can just come across to our table. Me, along with my colleagues, we can address your query. We can definitely be really grateful to have you in our stall. Thank you so much. Thank you.